Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today learn here a user pattern, and previous lecture is a discuss here rectangular pattern and circular pattern. Create a sheet metal design here, and today discuss here a user pattern. Okay. At first guys, open a CATIA software. Okay, this is our CATIA software, and create a sheet metal. Okay, this is a perfect. Create a center rectangle. Okay, and center rectangle is mention any dimension. Double click here, and this is a perfect. Okay, this is a 200 and this is a 120. Okay, this is a 120 is correct. Okay, and this body is a 100 is better. Okay, this is a 150 is correct. Okay, 170 is, and this is a 110. Okay, exit, and click this sheet metal parameters, then use all 3D commands is activated. Okay, and click OK, and create a sheet wall, and this is a create a sheet. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and all plane is hide. Okay, plane is hide. Okay, at first this face is draw, create a any. Okay, this is a this perfect body. Okay, this is a correct, and okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and exit, and cut out is draw here. Okay, this is a perfect, and click a user pattern. Okay, at first select again, and click a point, create a point. Double click here and create a point. Okay, because okay, this is a this point is a create here correct. Okay, and okay, this point is a user pattern, and this is a very useful use in user pattern. Okay, click exit. Okay, click a user pattern and click this body. Click here, and user pattern definition dialog box is pop up, and instance position select here. This position is this. Okay, this is a correct, and number 22 object pattern is cut out, and this is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect. Material is select here, and metal is a okay, this body is a okay, and okay, this is a perfect. Double click here, and this body is a select here. This is a perfect. Okay, very nice. Okay, super, this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct, and isometric view is drawing here. This is a correct, and okay, and some use a okay, this is a this. Okay, this height is correct, and also this is a height is correct. Okay, this is a correct. This body is a okay, this body is a correct, because isometric view is drawing here, and okay, this face is some extra is use this face. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, exit, and this portion is cut out, and also this is a and exit. This body is drawing here, this, and also okay, and this right click and edit portion. This body is a, this point is a just drag here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and this cutout body is cut out. Okay, so nice. This face also create a, this is a this, and also this body is exit and cut out. This is a perfect. Okay, so nice. Isometric view is drawing here. This is a perfect. Okay, and some other is drawing here. Okay, very nice. And some other is use a, okay, this command is this first and second, this body is increase, and okay, and also this whole command is use a, this size is increase, and this is also increase. This is a okay, this body is creator, and this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct, and this is also perfect. Here whole command is use this. Okay, this body is creator, and this is also this whole command is use this, and again this body. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and isometric view is showing here. Okay, all command is perfectly used. Okay, zoom out, very large, normal is correct. Okay guys, I hope you will learn this command. This user command is very easily and learn. Okay guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, and get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.